Welcome back to the G.O.A.T channel. We are here with not necessarily a monthly subscription box, but we got a mystery box, and it is from Sleefs.com. If you haven't been there, check them out. They got all kinds of sleeves and leg sleeves, arm sleeves, hats, tights, you name it, they got it. They got some masks, which we had to buy some. So the 4 masks in here we chose, but I got mystery headbands because I play a lot of disc golf and golf, and I wanted to get some headbands. So I got 3 mystery headbands for $10 and 3 mystery neck things that go over your neck, or you can put over your head to keep warm, or you can use it as a mask if you need it. So this is from Sleeps, FedEx shipped, and let's open it. So their masks were 3 for $20, and then I got the 2 mystery. I got the mystery neck gaiter, I think it was called, and then a mystery headband. 3 in a pack for $10. So first I'll just show you our mask we bought. I'll probably take them out in just a second. I just want a quick show. So the mask we picked out, rest out. So for this video I changed up my little area. Reminder, subscribe if you like this stuff or the disc golf or any of my content. So let's pull these out. So first thing is a headband. There's what that one looks like. So that's my first mystery headband. This one says Express. I'm guessing you can flip it either way there. So that's the second mystery headband. And that's a face mask. Let's see. Here's one of the face masks. There's another one of the face mask. Let's turn it upside down there. So again, the face mask we actually picked out, and then the headband and the neck things were 3 for $10, but they're mystery. Here's my face mask. The other 3 are the wife's. Final face mask. Alright, so that's it for that. Let's set this out. Alright, this is the third mystery headband. That one's really not my style, so that's probably one I'll give to my wife. But the other 2 I'll definitely wear. We got our neck. There's the neck thing. First neck. the second mystery neck one. Not a huge fan of that one just because it's all white. Still feels good though, the material. And the third. It's got great material. What does this say? Low alpine. So that's gonna be all our stuff. But these masks are real soft. So if you're looking for a good soft mask, that's one of the places I would go to look. These headbands, if you want headbands, anything you want, they have the material that's real soft. And so I would recommend definitely going and checking them out, Sleefs.com. And this is our unboxing series. It wasn't a mystery box this time. We'll have some other ones, but I just wanted to show you the mystery sleeves you can get. You can get mystery sleeves, I think wristbands, different mystery categories, and we got neck and headbands today. And if you like it, just like the video. If you want to see more unboxing, make suggestions, come back,